How to disconnect Instagram from Facebook. So first step is to open the Instagram app on your mobile device and go to your profile page. To do this, just click this profile icon on the corner of the screen. Tap the three horizontal lines at the top right corner of your screen. And then in here, tap the settings option. In this page, you will see Account Center. So click on that. Once you're here, you will see the Facebook account that is connected to your Instagram account. Click on Accounts on the bottom part and you will see the Facebook connected to my Instagram. Click on Remove. Proceed to remove account and then tap on Continue. Remove. After doing this, you have successfully disconnected your Instagram account from your Facebook account. So that is how to disconnect Instagram from Facebook. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.